DeMarco Morgan is in Fayetteville, North Carolina, where flooding, as you might expect, is a serious concern there, too. DeMarco, good morning.
Good morning to you, Gayle. We're about 90 miles away from the coast, so our elements here are drastically different from what they are experiencing. But you said it, don't be fooled, because the major threat here is floods. Yes, floodwaters. That's why authorities are keeping their eyes on creeks like this one right here behind me, and also the Cape Fear River, because it's starting to take on rain and runoff. You may remember that Hurricane Matthew sort of devastated this area along with Lumberton when there were hundreds of boat rescues. But we can tell you this, that the shelters are filling up right now, and the nursing home residents, they have been evacuated to higher ground. So we'll keep you posted on what takes place here in Cumberland County. John?
All right, DeMarco, thank you.